Good morning, legends. We're out here on the Hawkesbury River once again. The reason I'm out here today is because lately I've been doing a lot of this and this and this, all fresh water. I haven't touched the salt in months, so I'm out here today trying to get some salt therapy. The lure I'm going to start with is this little guy here. Now it may just look like a regular vibe, but no, this is a special vibe, and it makes a lot of sense for this video because I found this fishing for trout hundreds of kilometers away now, and I'm going to try and convert that into a flathead. So I'll show you a little clip of when I found this lure and we'll get straight into casting it. So I just got snagged, but I managed to pull it out. So there's my jig head. And I also pulled up this lure. So that's pretty cool. This was yours, thank you. Just cruising out here, awkwardly holding this this fishing rod. I probably could just put it in the holder. Little pied cormorant there. Definitely a bit worried about me. There he goes. Bit of a cruise way up there. So we're just gonna enjoy this scenery. Oh, we're on. Yeah, we're on. I was just cruising and enjoying the scenery. Wasn't expecting flathead for a little while. It'd be quite interesting to hold these fish. This one should be alright. Yeah, he's alright. Very good start. That's all I really wanted to do. That's boxes ticked right there, but the day is still too young to stop, so we're gonna keep going. Got another little flathead here. Oh, he's a lot bigger actually. He's hardly fought or anything right now, so a bit worried about netting it, but we'll have to. Absolutely engulfed it. And it just snapped that leader too. Got it. Got the lure. See if we can get her back in the water. What a nice fish. I think she's gonna be alright. Yeah, she's gonna be alright. Let's not mess around with the release. Yeah, so that fish was about 40 something centimeters, I'm guessing. Hoping for a few more flathead today. So that's two. Both of them on the lure I found in the freshwater recently, so this thing's working a treat. On to the next one. We'll keep trolling there. I mean, this is not how I want to catch them. At this speed, it would be a waste not to. Oh, we're on again. Yep, we're on again. Bit of weight to this one. I can't even stop talking about trolling. Another flathead. there's that lure, and this fish is going nuts. I'll try and get it back in the water quickly, but there's that lure. God, I don't know how I'm going to hold this fish. Alright, graceful release there. Yeah, man, I need something to hold these fish. Where are my fish grips? Finally, just around this corner, there's some cool oyster leases. This is not a big one. They're so different to flathead in the way they fight and the way you catch them too. You got to get right up against this structure. Pound for pound, they go hard. It's gonna go a bit further up from where I caught that little brim there, and see if I can't get another one, maybe a bit more size to it. They're eating really small jelly prawns. Oof. Good fish. Foul hooked. Very nice brim. Been a pretty good day so far. I reckon I can keep playing in these rocks for a while with the brim, and then I push out a little bit deeper and I'll be able to target some flathead. They're loving this vibe though. I've been noticing on this point here, the brim are eating jelly prawns, or they're schooling them to the surface, and then almost like a bait ball, they're just ravenous underneath, picking them off. So, change of tactics for me. I just got a little curly tail type thing. We'll try and get ourselves some hungry brim. Yep. Oh no. We're going in. Oh, we're going in. Oh. Alright. Oh no. Good brim. Good brim. Whew. By far the biggest brim I've ever caught in my life. That was a fun little session. Bread and butter fishing, and I got both bread and butter today. Brim on this point here, flathead on the way up, but yeah, I gotta get back before this tide gets too low, and I cannot retrieve my kayak without getting, you know, waist deep in mud. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit like and subscribe. If anything happens on the way home, you'll see it. Otherwise, see you on the next one. It's a good fish, a big fish. Good fish, about 60, 65. I'll do well to land this one. Good fish. Look at that. And that's the end of the lure.